In front of me is Motorola Moto E14, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. All you need to do is open clock and hit alarm at the bottom left corner to begin. Now before creating new alarm, use those three dots at the top right corner and hit settings to adjust all of those under alarms. When you're done, go back and click on this button with a plus. Then set up an hour and hit OK. Now tap on Add Label to label your alarm and save its name by hitting OK. Following that, select the days of the week and even exclude some by clicking on this icon next to Pause Alarm, picking those days and hitting OK. To remove them, use Remove button right next to them. Then hit Vibrate to switch off or on haptic feedback, and last but not least, use little bell icon. To download one of those sound sources, tap on the chosen one and install it. Then to use it, click on it at the top and log in. If you want to add music from your device, select Sounds, hit Add New and click on the chosen song to set it up. To pick one of those sounds and apply it, just click on the best one. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To switch off or on your alarm, use this switcher. And to get rid of it, click at the top right corner and bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!